ultimate robot vacuum and mop.
Need a deep clean? Use the Shark AI robot with ultra clean mode. It targets and deep cleans on demand.
Makes your home smarter.
No mess is safe.
This self-emptying 5,000 pascals robotic vacuum and mop might just be the perfect choice. In this video, we take a deep dive into
when big ideas turn into a confetti snowstorm, the Shark AI robot is there for you. Using AI laser navigation, it picks up that mess row by row while avoiding your homemade volcano.
Compact and sturdy, it's built with high-grade materials and a low-profile body that allows it to glide effortlessly.
And when the dog tracks in a dirty mess, use Ultra Clean mode to target and deep clean specific areas. Nice. Doesn't clean feel good?
Brain real-time
well, good thing your robot's ready to go.
One of the standout features of this vacuum is its real-time mapping technology. It uses advanced LiDAR or visual SLAM, depending on the model, to create a highly accurate map
on
of
my
your home.
home screen.
As shown in the video, you can watch the robot chart out
then
your space with impressive precision,
is,
adapting to new layouts and
Ultra
obstacles
Clean
in real
mode,
time.
and the
The
Shark
app
AI
integration takes it to another level. You can customize room labels, set no-go zones, and schedule
Robot
cleanings for
does the
specific
rest.
areas or times.
Now those
The path
messes
planning
that
is
can happen
methodical
so
and efficient,
quickly
with almost
are cleaned
zero
up
random movement.
so easily.
Watching it maneuver through complex spaces is genuinely impressive, dashing away powerful 5,000 pascal suction. This robot vacuum doesn't mess around when it comes to suction. 5,000 pascal.
Meet the next generation self-empty robot. The Shark AI Ultra Robot
or larger debris, it leaves floors spotless. Even carpets get a thorough clean.
Self-Empty XL. Its advanced AI laser navigation precisely cleans row by row while avoiding objects day or night.
Accordingly. That's smart cleaning in action. Soap mopping functionality. This is more than
And now with Ultra Clean, you can target and deep clean single rooms, high traffic zones, and specific spots. Ultra Clean combines powerful suction with a multi-directional cleaning pattern to deep clean.
You can see in the video how it cleans in Y-shaped patterns to simulate hand mopping.
Areas that need it most. Shark's breakthrough Clean Edge technology uses targeted blasts of air to push debris out from along edges and from deep within corners, delivering 50% better edge
dustbin. This is the game changer. With its auto-empty station, the robot
cleaning that other robots struggle to reach and clean. The Shark AI Ultra Robot also features a bagless HEPA self-empty base that traps 99.97% of dust and allergens for up to a month.
This is a massive plus. The high-efficiency dust bags also help contain allergens and odors.
And everything is controlled by the app or your voice.
The robot's long-lasting battery
Ultra smart for an ultra clean home.
Smart recharge and resume capabilities. It returns to the dock when needed and picks up exactly where it left off. The video shows how this makes it suitable for both small apartments and larger multi-room homes.
Here's the proof.
Mobile phone app
we used
control
an ultra-fine powder that glows
From
under
scheduling
black
to
light
remote
to
control,
run this test.
the companion
we
app
filled the
offers
dust cup
seamless
of this
control over every aspect of cleaning. Whether you're at work or away on vacation, you can start a full house cleaning
robot with
or
this
just target the
powder to see
kitchen with a
what
few
would happen
taps.
when it
The
transferred
robot
the
also
material
supports
to its
voice
base.
control via
As
Alexa
it
and
approaches,
Google
it
Assistant.
docks.
Just
and
say the
then
word,
as it begins
and it gets to
transferring
work.
to the base.
Bar chart
you
pros
can see
and cons
that
recap.
white cloud.
Pros. Extremely powerful 5,000 pascal suction. Real-time mapping with precise
Jet
room
out.
recognition.
This represents
Self-emptying
dust,
dock
pollen,
equals hands-free.
allergens, dust
Mop
might
with
matter,
adjustable
and
water
even
control.
some common forms
Smart
of
carpet
household
detection.
viruses that
Great
can
app
be
control
released into
and
the
voice
air.
assistant integration.
Then we put
Cons.
the Shark
Initial setup and mapping might take some time. Slightly higher price point, but
AI
justifiable
robot
for the features.
self-empty XL
Mop tank
to the
needs
exact
manual
same
refill.
task.
Direct
the
hit
Shark
final
AI
verdict.
approaches
This
the base,
robotic vacuum
docks,
and mop isn't
and
just a
we
convenience.
see
It's a lifestyle
nothing
upgrade.
at all.
With a
Let's
blend
take
of
a
strong
closer look.
suction, smart
You can see-
mapping, and self-emptying features, it offers a truly autonomous cleaning experience. If you're
That powder
serious about
going
a
into
cleaner
the
home
XL
without lifting a
base
finger,
with
this
nothing
robot
escaping.
cleaner is more than worth
That's
the
because
investment.
Shark's
In the video,
anti-allergen
we walk
complete
through
seal
every
technology
feature, provide
locks in
real-world testing, and offer tips to get the
99.97%
best
of all
performance
fine
out of it.
dust and allergens
Whether you're a pet
down to
owner, a
0.3
busy professional,
microns,
or someone who
and
just
keeps
loves
it out of
smart
the
home
air
tech,
your family
this
breathes,
robot vacuum delivers
guaranteed.
convenience, power, and peace of mind.